Hey guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And today we're showing you our health and wellness routine.
These are some of the things we do that keep us healthy and happy. We don't necessarily do them in this order, but it's something we like to do, where we try to do at least every day or at least every week.
Self-care is so important because it makes you feel good, and when you feel good, you can be more productive and you just enjoy life more, and that's what we want, a happy, healthy life. Something we like to do every day is meditation. If you could do at least 20 minutes of meditation, it makes you feel so much more calm and at ease. It's best if you do it in the morning because then it just kind of sets your day on a good tone.
And if you're one of those people who are like, no, I don't have time, 20 minutes, that seems so long to meditate. I need to just go, get my work done.
We used to be like that.
Honestly, no. Take that time, that 20 minutes or 10, however long you give yourself, is gonna make your other work easier. I read this post on Instagram that basically says you don't have control over your first thought that you have, but you have control over the second thought. So basically, you can choose how you want to react to the thoughts that might be going in your head. For breakfast, we've always loved eating oatmeal, but we figured out a different way that we've loved eating them lately. We'll just take about a cup of oats, put it into the bowl, raw, uncooked, and then we'll add some berries, whatever fruit we have on hand.
Applesauce, salt and cinnamon.
It almost becomes like this granola bar. It's almost like a pie. Or we'll just add in a bit of cold water, and the oats actually soak up the water and it becomes its own milk.
Like a yogurt type of thing. Another thing we do for self-care is use the sauna. We are so lucky that our parents have actually made our garage into what we call the wellness center or the pleasure center.
It's more fitting.
Saunas help you sweat and release toxins. Putting yourself in this heat is acute stress for your body, which actually makes
your immune system better.
Yes, we finish each other's sandwiches.
Generally, I like to use the sauna in the night because when I get out, it literally puts me to sleep. I'm like, I'm ready to go to bed now.
And what we like to do in the sauna is either listen to some nice meditation music, just breathe it out, focus on your breath, or we also love to listen to positive audibles that make you feel good.
Self-help books, or of course, love advice books. Those are our favorites.
Which are just self-help books in disguise.
Yeah. I know some of you are going to be saying, well, I can't do that. I don't have a sauna in my house. Like, you spoiled brats or what?
Why are you saying
what?
that?
Some people, I know that people will say that, whatever. But I will say, LA Fitness or at a local gym is like $25 a month, and they have a sauna there. So when you sign up for a gym, if you're interested in doing a sauna, make sure that's something that they have. You don't have to spend all this money and have your own sauna.
After we hit the sauna this week, our parents also just added a cold plunge to the pleasure center. And what we do is we go from the sauna into the cold plunge. You're going from heat to cold, and your body's like, whoa!
It's like a shock to the system.
So you stay in this cold water for about a minute.
What's the temperature?
55 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh
my god! I feel relaxed.
Put your shoulders in.
I can't do that.
Oh, you're in there for a while.
Just gonna be in here for a minute.
Oh no.
This is a good view. We're gonna get lots of views with that view. Get in! It's good for your muscles, it's good for healing your muscles.
And it makes you breathe easier. And then by the time you get out, you go back into the sauna.
And you feel all tingly.
Oh my gosh. My feet. Come on. It makes you want to laugh.
I know.
It's good. Oh. My body is tingling. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Whoa! I can't explain how good I feel right now. My body's like tingling and cold.
Yeah.
It feels so good going back to the hot. Oh my gosh, I'm still cold.
Now, if you don't have a cold plunge at your house, you could always go from something hot to cold, whether that be like a cold shower
or a cold bath.
It's really good for your body. Also great for your complexion. Something that is super important to our self-care routine is having a nice smile. So tell them what we do, Randa.
We partnered up with Smile Vegan Style for this video, and it is an at-home teeth whitening kit.
It's really easy, and all we do is brush our teeth for 2 minutes with the charcoal toothpaste, paint the whitening gel onto our teeth, then carefully remove any excess gel from our gums with the vitamin E swabs that they've given us before the treatment, and then we place the LED light in our mouth and turn it on and leave it going for 30 minutes, and then boom, your teeth are whiter. And for the 30 minutes that we are whitening our teeth, we love to read a book to pass the time. I'm reading a book about Alzheimer's and how you can prevent Alzheimer's and dementia through a plant-based lifestyle.
And we only use this kit once a week. I love using this whitening kit because it makes me feel good to have a whiter smile. And I also love that it's vegan.
If you want to get yourself a whitening kit, we have a coupon code for you guys, and it is NinaAndRanda.
So check it out, link in the description. Another great thing to do for self-care is getting a massage.
We just got a massage chair in the Pleasure Center, and it is so nice, but if you can't get yourself a massage chair, find yourself a friend and give each other some massages, because it feels really good to loosen your muscles. And if you can't find someone to give you a massage, stretch your muscles. That will help as well. Do some yoga.
And also, if you can't think of a gift idea for someone, get them a gift card to a massage. That's the best gift ever.
That's what we do for our parents.
Yeah.
We are going to talk about which supplements we take, but the reason we've never really talked about supplements is because supplements to us are kind of background noise, and I feel like people are so focused on, oh, I want to take this pill.
What's the superfood?
I want to take that.
What's the protein powder? What's the supplement?
When that's not what it is. That's just
not
kind
the
of
focus.
Background noise. Now, supplements can be beneficial, but it's not the main point.
So before we tell you what our supplements are, we want to make sure you guys know that diet and eating is key. Eating a whole foods plant-based diet is the healthiest diet in the world.
Keep your skin clear, make you live longer.
No matter what kind of diet you eat, adding more fruits and vegetables, adding more plant-based foods is healthy. Even if you're not plant-based, I would say try and make that the focus. Eat as much whole foods as you possibly can.
If you want to learn more about our diet and how we cleared our skin, we used to have really bad acne, we have a book out called The Clear Skin Diet with over 60 recipes. We'll leave it linked down below. Also available at Target and Walmart, which is whoa. And on Barnes & Noble and Audible. Back to supplements. We like to take probiotics. This is the probiotic that we take every morning.
This isn't something that I've been taking for that long. If you guys haven't seen the video of me getting my wisdom teeth removed, you should check that out. But
linked
in the description as well. The reason I started taking these probiotics is because I had to take antibiotics when I had that minor surgery. And so ever since then, it's been a few months, I've been taking this probiotic, and I feel like
gut flora.
I feel like in the past, some different probiotics have actually made me break out, but I find that these ones don't. On occasion, we'll take a B12 supplement, but it's not even something that I do every day.
And the only other supplement we take on occasion is a zinc. Make sure you take it with food though, otherwise you will feel nauseous. Another part of our self-care routine, and should be part of everyone's routine, is working out. Working out also gives acute inflammation to your body, but it's really good for you, and it makes you feel good because you get these endorphins going through your brain, which actually, if you do it in the morning, lasts for hours. It's anti-anxiety. I wish that doctors would prescribe 5-mile runs instead of pills. Once again, not anti-pills. There's just so many benefits that working out has.
We'll give you guys a quick sample of one of our workouts. Nina and I have recently been doing some weight training to build the booty. So we're just gonna list a few of the exercises we've been doing if you guys want to copy. At the gym, we like to start out with 10 to 20 minutes of cardio, especially on the bike. And then we use these stretchy bands. These are like a glute warm up to make sure when you go to the weight training that you're activating your butt.
Because that's what we want to grow.
We do that for about 5 minutes. And then we do weighted squats, and we like to do 3 sets of 8. So for each set, we'll raise the weight. Maybe we'll start out with 20 or 30, and then for the next set of 8, we'll do 40, and we might get up to 50 or 60.
And that's what we do with squats, and we do the same thing with some other butt exercises. The next one we would do is backward lunges, and once again, we'd start with a smaller weight and only do 8, and then do 3 sets, but each set of 8, you move up. So if you start off with 20, then you move up to 30, you do 8 of those. From 30 to 40. For the backward lunges, we probably go up to like 50 or 60 pounds.
Nina and I do watch each other when we have these heavy weights, and we even help each other take them off just to be safe.
Yeah, because these are very heavy weights. If it's like 50 pounds that you're lifting over your head, if you had an accident and you dropped it, that would be really, really bad for your head. So make sure that you do it with a buddy if you're gonna be lifting big weights. Be safe.
Or you could use a squat rack, and that's an automatic spot. And especially if you're lifting heavy weight, you're gonna want to use the squat rack.
The next booty exercise is called deadlifts, and it looks like this. Once again, only doing 8, starting out with lower weight and then building up the weight each set. And we do it slowly and making sure that we're feeling it
in the butt.
Yes, because that is what we want. We don't want to feel this in our lower back. That would injure us.
Finally, we do some butt ups, 3 sets of 8, and this is what it looks like. And we also help each other putting it on our hip flexors because we don't want to injure ourselves.
It seems like a quick, easy workout, but it actually took us close to an hour.
After we worked out, we went to the pool. It's so important for us to get sunshine. Sunshine makes you happy, gives you that vitamin D. It also helps regulate your sleep schedule.
Gives you a nice tan.
Which is also great.
Make it a goal to be out in the sunshine as much as you can. But the main, most important thing that makes us feel good and feel our best is what we eat. So we went grocery shopping after we went to the pool, and this is what we got. Lots of whole foods. Grocery haul. Got some Japanese sweet potatoes. These are our favorite. Some nectarines. They're ripe and super good. Got a few dates. This is something we recently discovered, and it's probiotic sauerkraut. We love the curry flavor. It's a bit expensive, but really tasty. Got 2 different flavors of that. Raw. We love our probiotics. Broccoli. And then, of course, we got loads of starch. Got some brown rice pasta, canned beans. Got kidney, pinot, garbanzo.
We're not using the instant.
Yeah. We get the canned beans when we're not using the Instant Pot and if we don't want to wait for them to be cooked up. And then some... What you eating right now?
Japanese sweet potato with some canned kidney beans with sauerkraut and mustard and salt.
Life. Last thing that we want to mention that has helped us a lot is acupuncture. 3 years ago, Randa and I got into a pretty bad car accident, and Randa was left over with some neck pain.
I had tried a lot of different therapies, like physical therapy for months, and really the thing that kind of catapulted my recovery and my neck pain was acupuncture. 3 years later, I still have some pain, but acupuncture has knocked it down so much. Now I kind of go for tune-ups if I'm getting some pain. It's also good for stress and anxiety. We go through our insurance, so it is a legitimate thing. People are starting to recognize that acupuncture can help with pain and other areas of life. So if you're dealing with pain or maybe some stress management, we definitely recommend acupuncture. Find a good place. That is our self-care routine. We hope you guys got some ideas on how you can improve your self-care routine. Let us know in the comments what you like to do to be healthy and happy. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up. Comment what kind of videos you want to see from us in the future. And we will see you next video. Bye!